Hi friends, this is Samatha. I am going to teach you abacus. This is our first class. Here I am going to give you the introduction of abacus. Abacus is a easiest method to do calculations very easily, like addition, subtraction, multiplications and divisions. Children from class 1 to class 5 can do calculations very easily with the help of abacus. Now first of all, I am going to give you the introduction about the scale. This is the abacus scale, or we can call it as abacus tool also. In the both the ways we can call it. And before that, I am going to show you how to hold the scale and how to calculate the sums. And first, in your right hand you have to catch the pencil in this way. These three fingers should be closed like this, like in little finger, ring finger and the middle finger should be hold like this, and the thumb finger and the index finger should be opened. And left hand you have to take the little finger and the index finger and the thumb finger. You have to use these three fingers and catch the scale. And by doing every time, whenever you are doing calculations with the scale, you have to hold the scale compulsory. Okay, and this both the fingers will be open in this way only. This is the way you have to hold the scale. And in the right hand, this index finger and the thumb finger are used to clear the scale every time. After each and every sum, you have to keep clear. The scale should be in this way. Now here, this outer part of the scale is known as frame. What is this? Outer part of the scale is known as frame. And the middle line, here you can see one line, right? This is known as bar or beam. This is called as bar or beam. And this red color, these are all called beads. Beads, we can move it here and there, up and down, right? These are called beads. And these are called beads and abacus scale. And the rods which we have here, you can see lines, right, which we are moving here up and down, right? These lines are called rods. For each scale we will have 13 rods. How many rods? 13 rods. So here from the middle of the scale, we are going to start doing the sums. And this place is known as ones place. This is known as ones place. Okay, and this is tens place. What we'll call left side. We have to move from this side. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. So here we have the place values. Okay, what about the beads? How you will know the values, right? The beads which are under the bar or beam are called earth beads, which are called earth beads. And the beads which are above the bar are called heaven beads. Okay, earth beads or heaven beads. We can call like lower beads and upper beads. You can call them lower beads or upper beads and upper beads. Okay, next here, now I'm going to start doing the value. I'm going to give you the values. I said now you have to start from middle of the lines. Count here. 13 rods will be there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the right side also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here this is the middle one. From here I am going to start the values. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, 100 lakhs. Okay. Now, ones. So what is the value? And remember, the lower beads, I mean earth beads, should be moved with the thumb finger only. You have to move with the thumb finger. And the upper beads, heaven beads, should be moved with the index finger. Got it? You have to move the index with the index finger, which the heaven beads should be moved with the index finger, and the lower beads should be moved with the thumb finger. Got it? Yeah. Now I am going to show you the values, how you will know the numbers. The value of this is 1 now. And remember, whenever you are touching for the bar or the beam, then only the value will be there. Now For example, now I am clearing the scale. So now our value is 0. Now I want value 1. So what I will do? I'll move one of the bit. Okay, now I want the value 2. So I'm moving the bit 2 in the ones place. 2 bits I moved to the answer bar. That is, now the answer is 2. Now I want 3. Now the answer is 3. Next. Now the answer is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got the values 1, 2, 3, 4. I cleared the scale. What is the value of 5? How you will get 5? Now the interesting point. Only the single bit which is above the bar line is the 5. The single bit value is 5. This single bit value is 5. And one more thing, whenever you are okay, I will teach you later that. Okay, first this is 5. Okay, done. In the same way, come to the tens place. Now the value is 10, 20, 30, 40. Now I'll clear the scale, and this is 50. Don't get confused. This is just an introduction class. In the next class, I will teach you clearly how you will get the values and how you have to do the basic additions using abacus scale. Okay, bye. Take care.